So Mitchell, I've heard this word kind of buzzing out there in the interlands. It's called procrastomania. Tell me what procrastomania really is all about.
Hey, so listen, there's so many people who absolutely need a book to show that they're the expert in their space, and they know they're going to write it, but years go by and they never write it. Here's what we do. I'll do a 2-hour interview with you. I pass it to a team of ghostwriters who will then ghostwrite your book, 140 bite-sized quotes and 7 blog posts, and we will produce it in paperback and hardcover version. We will also make you an Amazon best-selling author and deliver a Kindle and a PDF that you use for lead gen, and all of that for significantly less than the price that you would pay for either ghostwriting or publishing your book or even Amazon bestseller campaigns.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Thank you.
And I think, Mitchell, not only for individual professionals that could have that book and use it as a calling card and leverage and a resource and a tool, it's also a great concept for business owners that want to share their story, to sit down with you and be interviewed by you, and then your team write that into a book about the business owner's passion and vision and values and why they created it. That could be a great memorialized book as well on the business side. So I love that concept. And you're right, everyone has the idea, but they procrastinate because they let it become too big and overwhelming in their head to do. They become intimidated by it, and you make it incredibly simple and easy.
Super simple. Go click on the link below. We'd love to have you and work with you on creating your book and sharing your thought leadership.